Welcome back to our channel TK Kutties. My name is Akshita
and my name is Kutties.
Today we are going to do a pizza challenge. So for the pizza challenge we are going to Domino's and we are going to buy pizza. Let's go into the shop. Welcome to Domino's. So first we are going to sanitize our hands. Then only we are going to buy pizza. So now we are going to buy Italian pizza and Tex-Mex pizza. Those pizzas are chicken pizza, so we are buying it in medium size. Till the pizza comes, we are waiting. In that TV, they are showing how they make pizza. It is looking so delicious, right? Which we have ordered is ready. So now they are going to give us. Super. And let's go into our car. Now we have the delicious pizza. Pizza. Let's go. Come on.
Okay. Come here. Okay, let's open this.
Wow! So cute.
Okay, let's open. Now open it.
See this, guys? So cheesy. What is that?
Yeah, we have. No, this potato is not full. Oh, they are not.
Ketchup. See, lots of ketchup.
It is not potatoes.
Okay.
Ketchup.
Now, the tasty pizza we're going to eat. Now,
Okay.
first we are going to cut.
Cut and eat. Yeah. Cheesy. Okay, let's.
So, guys, now this is the pizza challenge. Now, first we have two pizzas each. That two pizza we should eat. Who is quitting out, they will be loser and other person will be the winner. So
who finish first? They are the winner. We will get 1 real for us.
yes. So let's start eating.
Yeah, I want to. I'm the first.
So this is the pizza.
Yeah. Okay, let's see this.
So now, first we are going to start right now.
Yeah. Start. Eat fast. Okay, slow down, slow down. Smile, yeah? first.
No, we both.
Yeah, we both.
So we both.
First, no. We should check here.
Yeah.
Yeah, done. That's done. This is
This
done.
is also done.
No. How? This here.
No, that's finished. I also eaten the bread a little.
Yeah, but that's all I think.
The bread I'm going to eat.
Then you are the loser.
No.
You are eating again only. You are the loser again. So,
No.
me.
So
Okay,
we
we
both
are-
get.
Yeah, we are both are the winner. I like this.
With this 1 real,
I will
I
buy
want
some.
to do something with this.
I will buy
With this 1 real, I'll buy 1 real thing. Anything.
I will buy ice cream for me with 1 real.
Yeah.
So,
Because she loves ice cream.
that's a lucky.
So, if you enjoyed this video, if we enjoyed this video a lot, do you also enjoy the video?
I like
If
this
you
video.
enjoyed, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe and
and share.
then press the bell icon. So
Bell
whenever
icon.
we post any new video, then you will be notified and be the first to watch newly posted video. We are going to spend some things
Yeah.
with this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will buy ice cream. Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice ice cream.
Bye.
Bye.